Dear scholars, we have been learning a lesson, The Happy Prince. Through the previous two videos, we came to know about the statue of Happy Prince, how it motivated the people, later, how the statue of Happy Prince or that Happy Prince started helping people in his kingdom, taking help of the bird, the swallow. So, first, the help was provided to the poor woman and her ill child. Next, it was provided to the young writer. And later, it was provided to a little girl. Each time, the prince requested Swallow to stay there or stay with him for one more night. The swallow was not ready at the beginning each time, but after telling about the needy people, swallow every time got ready, he stayed there and also he helped or he provided help to the needy people in that kingdom. So, according to the given help, the prince had gifted his two eyes to the needy people, and now the it was not possible for the prince to see the unhappiness of the people in his kingdom. Let us see what happened further. So it is the prince was asking the swallow to go to Egypt, but the swallow was not ready because the prince was unable to see. And at that night, the swallow slept at the prince's feet. Let us see the remaining part of the story, beginning with the next day he stayed. Let's start. The next day, he stayed with the prince. He told the prince stories about the strange lands that he knew. Dear little bird, said the prince, you are telling me about strange and wonderful things, but the suffering of men and women is stranger than anything. Fly over my city, little bird, tell me what you see there. So, whatever the swallow had seen or experienced, he was telling the prince over there. But the prince asked him to tell about the needy people in his kingdom because the suffering of the men and women is stranger than anything else in the prince's opinion. Let us see what happened further. So the swallow flew over the great city. He saw the poor people sitting at the gate. He flew into the dark streets, saw the white faces of hungry children with sad eyes. Under a bridge, two little boys were lying close together to keep warm. We are so hungry, they said. You cannot lie there, shouted a guard. Then the swallow flew back and told the prince whatever he saw. Further, then the swallow flew back and told the prince, I am covered with fine gold, said the prince. So we already know that the statue it is covered with gold. So what the prince said, I am covered with fine gold, said the prince. Take it off piece by piece and give it to my poor people. So here we came to know that the king gifted the red jewel which was at its waist, from its waist, then its two eyes, and now the prince was ready to give the piece of gold, each piece of gold on its body. The swallow pulled off the gold until the happy prince looked grey and ugly. So now it started looking that happy prince, the ugly prince, the beautiful, sorry, the handsome prince started looking ugly one. The young prince started looking grey, that is old. The swallow took the gold to the poor, and the children's faces became brighter after getting that help. What happened further? We have bread now, they cried. Bread? That is the food. Then the snow came, ice followed the snow, and hung down from the roofs of the houses. Everyone wore thick coats. So, snowfall started in that region, and people started wearing thick coats to get protection from the cold. The little swallow became colder. He did not leave the prince. Why? Because he loved him very much, but he was dying. So it was not favorable atmosphere, or it was not favorable season for the swallows, so they migrate every year. But it was one of the swallows who was staying with prince and helping the needy people in prince kingdom. Goodbye dear prince, he said. I am glad that you are going to Egypt, said the prince. You have stayed too long. I am not going to Egypt, said the swallow. I am going to the house of God. It fell down dead at his feet. Then there was a strange sound inside the statue. What was that sound? Crack. What made that sound? The metal heart broke into two pieces. So, here the swallow, who worked as a helper for the prince, for the needy people, he too died because of unfavorable season. And when he said goodbye and died, seeing that the metal heart of that happy prince also made a sound of crack, that is, the heart of the happy prince broken into two pieces. How unhappy it was. Early next morning, an important man in the city was walking below with two of his friends. He looked up at the statue. The happy prince does not look very bright, he said. The red stone has disappeared. His eyes are not there, and he is not golden. He looks like a beggar. So it is the red stone, his blue eyes, and its golden cover of on body. It was donated by the king, sorry, happy prince, to the needy people, and because of that only the happy prince was looking like a beggar at that time. Yes, he does, said the man's friends. Here is a dead swallow at his feet, said the officer. We must make an order that birds cannot die here. They pulled down the statue of the happy prince and put it in the fire. A stream of bright metal ran out. So the statue, which was made of metal, it that metal got melted, and Completely, a stream of bright metal ran out, so that statue changed into the melted metal only. This is strange, said the workman. This broken piece in the middle of the statue has stayed hard. We must throw it away. So they threw it away with the dead bird. So, whatever metal was used in that statue, that melted. Instead, sorry, only one of the part stayed hard, it didn't melt. One of the middle part didn't melt. What was that part? Which was thrown away with the dead bird, with the swallow. So what do you think what it may be? So that was the heart of that happy prince. God said to his servants, bring me the two best things in the city. They brought him the broken heart and the dead bird. So here the word him stands for God. So the letter H is written in capital. So what the servants of God brought to the king, brought to God? Broken heart, which was the heart of that happy prince, and dead bird. So these were the two things thrown away by the officers. So these two were the best things in that city. Yes, you have brought the right things, God said. This little swallow will sing forever in my garden, and the happy prince will stand in my city of gold. So it was the honor the swallow and the happy prince both got because they had done a really good job. They both have done had done really good jobs, and for their good deeds God had offered them this prize. What was that? The swallow will sing forever in his garden, that is the God's garden, and the happy prince will stand in God's city of gold. So it is the story written by Oscar Wilde. What do you learn from it, or what do you learn out of it? It is we must give helping hands to the needy people. This is all about the lesson The Happy Prince. I hope you all will understand the given explanation easily. To know in detail, go through the entire story or the lesson.